Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into some of the newest and most exciting Blender add-ons for all your creative needs, so without any further ado, let's jump right in. The folks at Blender Procedural are known for their amazing add-ons and assets, such as Dynamic Grass, Terra Paint, Fluffy Maker, SimFX, Imperfected, Attachify Pro, Blender FX, Aquaflow, Physics Planer, and over 60 more add-ons and assets like these. But wait! There is the Ultimate Blender Add-ons bundle for the best time and money savings. This exclusive collection brings together all the powerful add-ons and geometry node setups Blender Procedural ever developed to empower your creative journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this bundle provides everything you need to create stunning, dynamic 3D renders with ease. I will have the link to it in the description below if you want to get it. Next up, we have True Terrain 5. A new generation of terrain creation system. With True Terrain, you can create any kind of landscape in Blender quickly and easily, whether you want to add oceans, lakes, rivers, or fancy simulation 2.5D water. This has it, with over 100 plus scatter assets and presets to get started. If you want more assets, then take a look at this Nature Bundle Pack by the folks at B Production, known for their best asset packs for Blender. And yeah, you want realistic skies? Then True Sky is also available for creating amazing-looking skies with a few clicks. Lens Sim. Render with real-world lenses. Lens Sim is a Blender add-on created to simulate camera lenses based on real-world optical data. By extending the standard Blender camera, you can easily choose and render dozens of lenses and cycles. As you can see here, all the renders on the page look realistic. By simulating the physical characteristics of glass and the aperture opening, we get common lens effects such as chromatic aberration, vignetting, distortion, lens softness, focus breathing, and natural bokeh shapes. These effects contribute to the organic, imperfect look of physical photography. Perfect clean render that misses out on these unique characteristics, making images feel sterile or too perfect, which can detract from a film-like look. This add-on inspires to improve that. Want to level up your interior renders? Polyspace has you covered with their asset packs, such as Interior Essentials, Bathroom Essentials, Architecture Elements, and Natural Elements. You can save hours of your time creating scenes. Polyspace Ultimate Bundle is much cheaper than if you purchase all the add-ons separately. And yeah, all the assets come with a good amount of customization, so go ahead and get whatever you want. Fake Liquid Pro is a real illusion for drinking liquids. No simulation, no complex geometry node, or complex shader. You can use it with any object and any material you want, suitable for weak PCs, and easy to use. Procedural Masonry Generator. This generator transforms simple shape meshes into complex brick structures. You can fully customize the size of the bricks, including the gaps between them. Brick clutter can be adjusted. You can replace the brick assets with any assets of your choice. You can mask the areas where you don't want bricks, and a lot more. Breakdown Maker. Every artist knows how exhausting and tedious it can be to create a reel or breakdown after putting so much effort into your scene. Well, not anymore. Breakdown Maker streamlines the process, adhering to industry standards for creating professional portfolios or demo reels. Showcase your work in the most polished way possible with minimal effort. You also have a turntable option for character or any asset you want to showcase. Trust me, it saves a lot of time while giving you polished results. So that's it, folks. These are the new Blender add-ons. If you're interested in any of these add-ons, all the links are down in the description. If you like this video, then YouTube thinks you will also like these videos. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.